Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add vignettes to your pictures on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the gallery button and select the picture that you want to edit. After that, you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find the vignette option. And here you can select the whether you would like it to be white. That's the left side of the slide. And on the right side, you can adjust the black vignette that you can apply to your picture. So here you can see that it's ranging from 0 to 50, so position that to the relevant part on the slide according to the effect that you want to achieve. Click on the apply button down below if you are done with adjusting it, and you will be able to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.